Hey, we're finishing up on a project right up the road of the last video I sent you. Got to get the boathouse built and the dock framed up, but I'm moving down here now to get started on this project over here. We got a 200-foot dock, large platform, and a very large boathouse. It's a 30 by 50 hip style roof with a little gable extension in the front for the bigger boat to get inside. But I'll go ahead and get some videos posted of this as we go. It's going to be a little time too, so I'll do it in several videos again. It's a beautiful location here. Got a big, nice pool going in, big backyard. So I'll get some aerial shots of all of it. Framing up over here on this job. We've already got the stakes for the next job set up on the shoreline. So we've got the barge. We're pushing it over there right now. We're going to go ahead and go out about probably 260 to 275 foot out in the water to get some batter boards set up so we can run some straight strings out to start running our dock out. Got a beautiful view out here today, just a little bit chilly. Just finished up getting all our strings set, got our elevation set for our poles. We're going to run a bottom string also to try to keep everything in line. We're out about 265 feet right now. That should be more than enough to get this dock and boathouse put in. Got an extremely low tide right now, so we're not even able to get up close. First piling going in on this job. Hey guys, this video is for y'all that are asking about how we're driving the pilings, how the vibratory hammer works, and what it takes to put a piling down. I went ahead and didn't do any editing in most of these videos at all, so you can see the time frame, what it takes to put these things in. So y'all sit back and enjoy. Got any other ones you want to see, let me know, and I'll be happy to get them put together for you. Thanks. Saturday getting some more poles set. Got Hector helping us out today. Checking our square of our poles right now, make sure we're staying square across from each other. I figure I get some of these poles knocked out. I've got shoulder surgery, rotator cuff on Tuesday. Not looking forward to that, so I'll be out for about 6 weeks, but I'm hopefully not going to let that keep me down. I'll be able to still do something, but we'll see. Pretty good progress. 180 foot of poles set today and yesterday. Did a good job. We got the rest of the batterboard set up for the boathouse, which is going to be quite large. Got all the pilings set with the exception of the jet ski lift post set. All the way back, we got one little section there in the middle that we couldn't reach because of low water. We're going to try to get Monday. We get the rest of the poles set on Monday. We got 22 poles going on the boathouse. Get started back here Monday morning. Got us another beautiful sunrise in the making. Got all of our dock poles set. We're going to get started on setting some strings up, squaring up this big boathouse, and hopefully getting a lot of the boathouse poles set. We've got to get this knocked out. Unfortunately, I've got rotator cuff surgery tomorrow, bone spur removal and a bicep repair. So I'll kind of have one of my arms sling to me for a while. Won't be able to operate. We're out here to the boathouse. You can see we got strings all over the place now. We just wanted to make sure that we are perfectly square. And as you can see, everything looks nice and square. We're going to go ahead and set our first row of boathouse poles on the back side here and platform poles, and we'll go ahead and work to the front of that and check our square again, make sure we keep everything nice and square. Hector's chaining up a 8-inch tip, 35-foot long piling we're fixing to set right here. Good, Hector? Yeah. Okay. That's probably good. Yeah. We'll check. I'll let you know on the next one. You'll watch out. It's a big pole. Sun right in my eyes again. La línea, la marcador para allá. You get that? You get that, our English speaking friends? What, Hunter? That's right, boathouse poles are always on the outside of the mark. Well, actually, no, this is wrong because this is a deck pole here. Y'all get back and look at it, then I'll bottom in. Okay. When your hand's behind the pole, I can't see it. of give you an idea how big this pole actually is. You can look up there. That's 35-foot piling. It's way up in here.
That's my hand to it.
What do you think the butt on that one is? That's crazy.
I'd say probably about 14.
14 inches? Good? Looks good? Alright. Alright, watch it. I'm going to lean the pole and pull down on, okay? Hey, if that... Yeah. 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 Yeah, if you've got it tight. I just don't want that pole kicking up and hitting you if it comes off. Okay? Let me try to get it by myself. Let me get it. Marks the inside of the pole now, okay? Yeah, we good? All right, ready? Here we go. Watch it. Start the vibration. You're gonna watch both guys in water directing which way to lean as we're vibrating down through this mud. Slowly but surely going down. Good, Hunter? That chain is going to be extremely hot. It was smoking. Don't touch the chain, you're gonna get a blister. Let it go in the water. Splash some water up on it. Alright, we've gotten down low enough now that I can actually get the vibratory hammer on top of it. We're removing the chain, and we'll put the vibratory hammer on top of the piling and try to get it down the rest of the way. Usually moves a little bit quicker, getting more of a direct hit. Good? Ready whenever you are, Hunter. Still fighting with that chain. Hector, that gringo might need some help. it, stretch it.
You got twisted in there.
Oh, okay.
And then it pinches something that's so big.
Oh. You ready?
Yeah.
How we look, Hector? Which way? Top. Good, Hunter? You might be too close to see if it's level or not. Are you too close to it to see if it's level?
Making sure it's stable.
Okay. Yeah, but if you stay on the marker, we're not level. It don't matter. Or plumb. Have a look. Good, Hector? We've already gone down quite a bit. Let me get a measurement. We'll get our first one set perfect. Actually, all of them set perfect. Let's start marking all of our poles like 12 foot. Yeah, water, 16 foot. All right, ready? Oh, which way do we need to go? Check out our plumb. That looks really good. We got our first piling set of 24 boathouse pilings, so that's how it is. I'm not going to film every one, but just let you see how it goes. If y'all hadn't subscribed to the channel, subscribe if you like it. Like and share. I appreciate that. That's helped me out with my subscriptions. If you got any comments or questions, feel free. If you got any comments or questions, feel free to leave them, and I'll try to get back with you. Thanks.